Well, the main focus areas for George Kaiser Family Foundation are 1, early intervention in the cycle of poverty, 2, community health, 3rd is the social service safety net, and the last is basic civic enhancement. Clearly, the needs in our communities throughout our state are quite intense these days, just basic needs.
People need a place to live. They need food to eat. They need to be sure that their children are safe and well cared for.
And those needs are growing.
These are difficult times in Oklahoma. These are difficult times in the country. These are difficult times for foundations, frankly.
The George Kaiser Family Foundation felt it was important to seek out some of the very best agencies across the state that are well known for their work serving kids and families in desperate situations.
Quality organizations like Stillwater Domestic Violence Services,
To CDSA, Youth and Children's Services, Citizens Caring for Children.
More than 2,000 individuals receive help from Youth and Family Services each year.
Part of the strength of the project has been our ability to reach out to senators, state representatives, mayors, and learn from them what's working in their communities, and also engage in a dialogue with them about the future of policy, the future of the economy of our state.
I think we're really privileged to have a senator in our district that really understands the problems and need.
Our kids do face a very traumatic cycle of abuse, and unfortunately that abuse doesn't end when they enter the DHS system. It continues, and that's where organizations like Citizens Caring for Children step in.
All the work that CDSA does in our community is tremendous.
And CDSA, as Senator Anderson was stating earlier, is a very large part of our community and continues to be extremely valuable to our community, helping those who are less fortunate.
And that's consistent with a lot of our philosophy at the foundation, which is to engage the public sector, to engage the policy leaders, to engage the state legislature, our governor, our elected leaders, to move the ship of state in ways that really can impact lives in a positive way, whether it's early child education, indigent health care issues, or economic development.
A lack of funding inhibits our ability to reach populations in the most rural areas of Oklahoma. We don't have intact families. We don't have 2-parent homes. We have a lot of poverty. We have a lot of free and reduced lunches. And we have a lot of domestic violence.
But you know, these abused and neglected children are not just numbers and statistics. Each one has a little face, and each one has a story that goes with it.
We work to help families end the cycle of violence. I just can't begin to say how important I think this is in us taking the next step to be able to do some work here in Cushing.
This is hard work. You get up every day, you go home at night, and you wonder if you're making a difference. Well, we're here to tell you, you're making a difference.
We're looking forward to trying to make a difference across the state, beyond just northeastern Oklahoma, where we typically have our base of operations.